This is the history of the Distinguished Gentleman's Ride. So it was founded by Mark Hawa after being inspired by the image of Mad Men fictional character Don Draper upon a classic matchless motorcycle, no? So doon nagsimula yon. This was the years 2012. Actually, Mark Hawa is from Australia. So nag-start yun sa Sydney, Australia. So in case you're wondering, this is Mark Hawa, no? And he was inspired by the fictional character Mad Men. Di ko napanood dyan pero it's around here. Mad Men 2007 to 2015. It's a TV show. This is the character Don Draper, fictional character Don Draper. So nung nakita niyang sumakay si Don Draper dyan sa motor na yan, so nagkaroon siya ng idea, why not combine yung dapper look sa classic motorcycle. So sinubukan niya yon nung una, no? So it's about protection of men against mental health, no? So ibig sabihin mental health, this is suicide watch, no? As you can see, there's a word suicide there and prostate cancer awareness. So nang launch ito, nakikita niyo yan sa gitna nakalagay 2018 launch video. So ito yung video na yon.
Men in our lives who suffer in silence. For the men in our lives, we must make them aware. For the men in our lives, outstretched arms are before you. For the men in our lives, for you, we are there.
So there, that's the powerful video that launched this DGR, no? Movember is the charity organization handling the funds dun sa mga donations ng DGR. So our funds goes to Movember. So Movember is the leading charity changing the face of men's global health on a global scale, focusing on mental health and suicide prevention, prostate cancer and testicular cancer. So in a way, kakaiba itong charity na to at saka itong battle cry na ginagawa natin. This is strictly for men, no? Usually is for women and children, di ba? And family, ganyan, and soldiers, but this is ito kakaiba is for mental health and prostate cancer research. So about November, so ang funding is over 1,200 projects in 21 countries, no? Nakakuha na rin ng mga around $800 million worldwide. So kahit pa paano meron ng magandang move sa mental health, kasi yung mental health is curable. Yung iba kasi dinidemonize yung mental health ang sinasabi nababaliw ka na, no? So ang mga lalaki nagtatago sa bahay, tapos dahil ayaw nilang mamarkahang baliw o maapektuhan pa yung pamilya nila, dinidibdib na lang nila, hindi nila alam meron tong gamot. It's a health issue. So binibigyan ng mga tableta na makokontrol yung mga mental issues, no? Usually is anxiety or depression, no? Nabibigyan ng lunas. Through research, kasi medyo medyo hindi pa siya na 100% na kukuha eh. Kailangan pa ng mga additional research like yung sa marijuana issue na nakakatulong sa may cancer and may mental health, no? Hindi pa tanggap ng mundo yung mga ganun eh, pero actually there's a breakthrough towards that plant. Anyway, let's move on. So yan, no, past 6 years it has grown, it has become popular, this DGR. And then ito mga tanong ng iba, what bikes are allowed sa DGR? Tanong ko rin yan dati. Ito ba kagaya niyan, sabi nila these bikes strictly, no? Pero yung word na strictly, tandaan nyo, hindi na i-enforce yan, because I tried last year. Akala ko paalisin ako, so ready na akong paalisin ako talagang stricto, pero hindi, because this is worldwide eh. Tsaka importante rito yung donation against the research. So nakalagay dyan, coffee racers, bobbers, classics, trackers, scramblers, old school choppers, modern classics, sidecars, classic scooters, classic cruisers, modern classics, and look, dinagdag nila electrics and brat style motorcycles, di ba? So nagbabago, bakit mo dinagdag yung electric? Eh nung nagsimula ito, hindi pa naman uso yung mga electric, so dinagdag nila. So last year naka-customize akong bobber. So yun, sinakyan ko, tas naka-Americana rin ako noon eh, pero ang init din last year. Ngayon, ang tanong naman sa damit, ayan, what is the meaning of Distinguished Gentleman's Ride? So alam na natin yan, it's a fundraiser for Movember, no, DGR. So ayan, at sa damit naman, tignan naman natin kung anong ibig sabihin ng dapper, kasi dapat daw dapper look. So pag sinabi mong dapper is a term there in Europe or in a British colonized country like Australia. Dapper is being neat and trim in dress or appearance. So spruced up. So ibig sabihin looking like gentleman talaga, no? So hindi natin masasabi to kung ito ay English gentleman or Mediterranean gentleman or Filipino, no, or Mexican, kasi bawat countries meron silang pambansang outfit, no? Kagaya sa atin parang Tagalog, no, sa Arab naman yung parang tube tawag nila, tube na white, di ba? So iba-ibang bansa, iba-iba. Tapos alam nyo, pag nakikita nyo naman, pag na actual event na, iba-iba na rin ang damit, kasi unang-una, just showing up sa events ay malaking bagay na, kasi ang init. During the time na nandito to, may heat wave tayo, may heat wave. So maaaring madali ka sa heat stroke. Kaya yung iba doon, naka-shorts na lang, naka-t-shirt na lang. Pero maintindihan mo na rin kasi kailangan nila mag-survive. Oras na abutin kami ng tanghali dito, maraming may heat stroke. Kaya talagang just showing up, ang support overwhelming na. Lumabas ka lang, sumama ka lang sa parada. So wala rin ako nakitang pinaalis doon o tinakwil dahil sa damit or sa motor, no? Yung iba nga doon nahihiya pa, kunwari nahihiya sila dahil naka sports bike sila, no? Pero actually wala naman nangyaring ganun, wala naman pinaalis na sports bike. Tsaka nakikita ko worldwide maraming maski anong klase ng motor na, maski anong klase na, doesn't matter, no? Tapos ayun, kung gusto niyo malaman ang ibig sabihin ng distinguished is successful, authoritative, and commanding with great respect. So yun ang pinaka bottom line ng pagdadamit nyo, commanding great respect. Ibig sabihin kapita-pitagan ang damit, hindi naman actually barong Tagalog or Americana, no? So yan. Tapos ito, what does looking distinguished mean? Look very noble and respectable. Yes. So ayan, ito yun, DGR is open to all genders and founded in 2012 by Mark Hawa in Sydney, Australia. Kaya alam niyo na siguro kung bakit may representative na Australian doon sa DGR 2024, no? Dalawa sila. Yung isa, bali dalawa sila, yung dalawang yun kinausap ako. Kinausap ako, nakipag-chat sa akin, pinicturean ako, binidyo ko kasi, alam niyo kung bakit? Kasi kakaiba ang aking outfit. Pakita ko na sa inyo. This is ito yung mga video galing sa iba. Ito kay Angel ng Lansangan to. Video niya, ayun ako. So, ayan ang itsura ko, kaya medyo na-curious sa akin yung represent. Pinuri naman ito naman kay Vespa Kikay's video. Medville ba? Medina. Ito naman kay Daddy Legend video. So, yan yung outfit ko is Renaissance Steampunk. Formal Renaissance Steampunk. That's my motorcycle. Ito yun. So, this is 1800s Renaissance outfit. Kagaya nun sa mga Lord of the Rings, di ba? Nung time na yon, ganyan ang mga outfit nila, mga prinsipe, no? Prinsipe, kagaya nila Legolas, no? So, commanding great respect. So, yan ang napili ko. Actually, ginamit namin yan sa isang opening ng isang play, English play. Tapos, yung Australiano na kumausap sa akin, alam niya yung play. At sinabi pa niya yung main character. Nagulat ako, alam pa niya yung main character ng play. Na kailangan ko pang i-double check, no? Dahil ang tagal na nito, nag-start ang play na to is around 1990s pa, no? So yun. So kay mahiya, sumama kayo. Basta look your best kung anong meron dyan sa bahay nyo and yung motorcycles, no? Sabi nga nung iba basta bilog ang ilaw, pwede na yan. Pero actually, hindi rin nasusunod yun dahil talagang wala nag-i-enforce. Tsaka sa akin, ginamit ko na ng damit na yan, puro papuri pa inaabot ko. Galing dun sa Australian representative and kay Sir Edsel mismo, Edsel Benko, yung namamahala ng Mototown. Sinabi niya, I like your outfit, no? So, walang problema. Just join. Next year, sumama na kayo. Tanggalin nyo na yung agam-agam nyo na may discrimination o ano. Siyempre sa simula, makikita mo talaga na magugulat ka na siyempre puro big bikes, puro mayayaman. So iniisip mo, pang mayaman lang to o para lang sa kanila to. Hindi ganun. I tried it, I tested it. Walang ganun. Masaya. May kasama nga kami, halos naka-t-shirt na lang and sabi niya, ang saya dito . Kasi syempre biglaan . Marami nahihiya . Lalo na yung mga naka-scooter na ano. May mga scooter dun. Yung mga Vespa, tapos may mga Honda Cab, no? Honda Cab group. Actually, the important thing is to support the cause, no? So it's mental health research and prostate cancer research. So yun lang. Peace. Nakasing na ako.
Bilawing